All right, well, good morning, everybody. We can get the show on the road here. Just about time to start. So it looks like we're still connecting. Looks like Quinn's audio is still connecting. I don't know if they're having any technical problem there, but see that. It's not sure if your microphone is working. Yeah. Well. All right, well, let's get on the record. We'll start. Oh, we have a question here before we get started. No? Okay. All right, well, let's begin. This is docket 5310 WR 100, the application of Sextonville Sanitary District for authority to adjust water rates. This is Michael Newmark, the administrative law judge with the PSC, and we're on Zoom with the utility, its consultant, and commission staff in attendance. Our job here today is to create the record in the case. And that'll be the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, and comments we receive live on today at the hearing from the utility commission staff and any members of the public that connect with us. We did provide the Zoom link to members of the public through our customer notice, or the utility's customer notice, and the commission's notice of hearing. We don't have any public members in attendance at this time. But we'll take them on if they do join us. We're also receiving public comments in writing. That comment deadline is September 17th. We have no comments on file so far, but people can comment by clicking the link for online comments at our website or mailing the comments to us by US mail. And so we can receive that up until the end of the day on Tuesday. So that's the basic processes. We just go through our list of documents. We verify those documents and provide an opportunity for comment. And then and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. So I don't think I've had Sextonville hearing with them yet before. So this welcome to the commission hearing process. So I'm still not sure if Quinn, if we can hear you. I don't know if you plan to speak today, but it doesn't look like your microphone is working.
Can you hear me now?
Oh yeah, there we go.
Okay.
It's weird. It's not. Oh, maybe it's Melinda's microphone. It's not connected. Okay. Well, hopefully we'll be okay with that. So let me just share a list with you on the screen share with the list of documents that staff's identified for the record. And we'll just need to verify those under oath. So we have 6 documents from the utility. First of all, the first one being the customer notice, the rest of the documents being more technical in nature related to the application. But let's get the customer notice verified first. So who do we have in attendance that can verify that the customer notice is complete and correct under oath? So we just have to swear that person in. So someone familiar with the notice. Usually that would be a utility person, maybe someone who had something, who drafted it or posted it in the public locations.
That would probably be Mindy. I don't know if we can hear her.
I was thinking it might not work for. How about, is Dale, are you familiar with the notice at all, being part of the utility? Your microphone's on. Okay. So there is another way to connect. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm going to display online the phone number to dial in. So if you just dial 1-312-626-6799 and then enter the meeting ID, it'll ask you for the meeting ID, and that's 809-513-2930. You should be able to call in and we can hear you. I don't know why we're not hearing you, even though I do see that at least Dale is connected by audio. Okay. Well, in the meantime, let's verify the rest of the documents and we'll see what we can do from there. So the other remaining documents are more technical, application, the refund documentation and the data request responses. So I was wondering, is that Quinn Mitchell? Can you verify those? I'll just need to swear you.
Yes,
Okay, great. So raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. So just state your name and your position as it relates to the utility.
Quinn Mitchell, I'm audit manager with Johnson Block and submitted the documents listed here.
All right. So you said documents listed here, so you can see the screen
Oh.
share. Just want to confirm. Yes.
Yes,
Is that right? Yeah.
documents
Okay.
2 through 6.
Okay, that's fine. And so you're familiar with those, is that correct?
Yes,
And are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
yes.
All right, perfect. That's all I needed. Do you have any comments in terms of the case? Anything you'd like the commission to know?
No, just that wanted to mention again that we did resubmit the PSC report as requested.
Okay, is it the 2023
The 2023, yes,
annual report?
yes.
Yes. Okay, great. Thanks. All right. And you didn't have any connection with the customer notice at all, or have you seen it
I
before?
received a copy of it and
Okay.
noted that it was to be posted, but
Okay. Well, that's fine. So we'll leave it at that. All right. So we'll move on to commission staff then, and we'll take, no, it looks like we may have connected our people here. So I see we just got a call in. I'm hoping that's the utility. You'll need to push *6 to unmute your phone. Oh, there we go. Hear you there. All right, you want to turn off your other speaker on the computer, probably.
Good morning, Michael.
Oh, perfect. Hear you loud and clear. Is this Dale?
This is Dale's.
All right.
Yes, I'm here with the clerk, and she can tell you dates.
Okay, great. So let's swear that person in. Is that Melinda?
This is Melinda.
Okay, great. So let me swear you in. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right. And so we do have the customer notice on file. And it's the one that does display for the posting of the notice. Are you familiar with that document?
Yes, the notice was posted in 3 public places.
Yep. Okay, great. So is that document complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay, great, perfect. That's all I needed. Do you have anything else you'd like to say about the case? No, nothing. And Dale, anything you'd like to add? No? All right. Oh, I don't know if they disconnected again. Not sure what happened. Well, I guess we got what we needed. So if you do want to comment, just call us back. Otherwise, we do have, I think we have your statement that we needed for the record. So, all right, let's move on to commission staff. We'll start with Kathleen Butzloff. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. So we have, I believe, the 2 documents, the rate case outreach letters and the revenue requirement. Is that right?
That's correct.
And are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Do you have any comments?
I do have a few comments.
Mhm.
So the outreach letters are a commission effort to encourage utilities that have not filed a rate case for many, many years to file a rate case, both to look at the financial aspect of the utility if an increase is needed, and also to review the rate design and all the tariffs and see what needs to be updated. The last rate case for this utility was in the 1970s. So they received our outreach letters and filed the rate case. So that's what that document is. And then in the revenue requirement exhibit, there were a few requests that are common in rate cases. Quinn already mentioned that one of those requests was to make a few adjustments and file an amended annual report. And that report was filed on August 15th. And then occasionally there are refunds or back bills that the utility is requested to make. And this utility filed the documentation that it took care of that on August 16th. So I'm happy that everything's been wrapped up prior to the hearing. And
Okay.
that's all I have for now.
Great, thanks. All right, I know Melinda's got her hand up, but let's just take Alex Hanna first with his exhibit. So raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, so for the cost service study and rate design exhibit, you're familiar with that?
Yes, I am.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Or any comments?
I have no comments at this time.
All right. Well, let's just check back in with Melinda. Did you want to say something? I saw you had your hand raised. No? Okay, I see you're unmuted, so we should be able to hear you at this point. But okay, well, hopefully we're not missing something. This is all we needed for the record, just to get those documents verified and to get an opportunity for comment. I'm gonna stop the screen share here. But what we do with the record is we forward it to the decision maker in the case. In this case, it's Andy Galvin, the administrator for the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis. So the administrator will review the record and make a decision, and then a written order will be issued based on that decision. It'll be emailed to the utility, and I think, well, I'm not sure if Quinn's on the list. Well, probably is. We will post it on the commission's website as well for the public to see. So with that, I think that's all we need. Anything else we need to review? No, so I'm sorry we didn't get connected to the utility very much, but I'm glad we did get that notice verified. Oh wait, I see Melinda is back. Did you want to say something or participate again? Melinda, can you hear me? Yeah, you may need to call in again if we can, for us to be able to speak together. Well, I guess if you can hear me, if there is something else, please contact Alex, and then we'll try to accommodate what your question is or your concern. But at this point, I think because of technical reasons, we're gonna end the hearing at this point, and hopefully there's nothing that's of substance related to the case that we need to discuss. But I believe Alex can probably answer the questions about the process going forward. So that might be what you're interested in. All right, so with that, we're adjourned. Thanks very much, everybody.